Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be explaining what the Carrier Device Manager app is in 2026 and how you can fix the requests are processing issue on your Android phone. So the Carrier Device Manager is a system application which is used by mobile carriers to manage the network settings and the services on your phone. It helps activate the features like VoLTE, Wi-Fi calling and carrier specific configurations. So the message that appears when the app is trying to connect or update sometimes with your carrier. And in order to fix this issue, the very first thing that you need to do is to simply restart your phone. This step is going to clear the temporary issues and often fixes the stuck message that you see because of it. Now you can also go to the settings and look for the general management, then go to reset and you can reset the network in order to refresh the connection. Now you can also basically take out your SIM card, wait for a few seconds and then insert it again. This particular step is going to help re-establish the connection with your carrier. So that's how you can basically fix the request or processing issue. If this video helped you understand the app better and if this video helped you fix the issue, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.